Today we've got the Brilene hydraulic battery crimper tool. We're going to give a demonstration of this. Along with it, we've got the TK-DMR crimp terminal set that comes separately. The Brilene is just the hydraulic tool. This is the tool that I use for crimping terminals. This is my personal tool. This was not provided to me for this video by the company. So to use the tool, we have several different dies here, and the dies are going to be dependent upon how thick your battery cable is and the size of your terminal. One reason I like the TK-DMR kit here is because it also comes with this heat sealing set here so that you can make professional waterproofing around your crimps as well. So I'm going to get the correct size of heat shrink tubing and the terminal for the kit here. Prep up my wire. Get my shrink tubing on first, and then the appropriate sized wire terminal. Okay, I found the appropriate sized dies here for this terminal. Going to insert my dies into the tool like that. First, I'm going to turn the tool to on, and I'm going to start pre-crimping here. And if you're working in a tight spot, you can take your terminal and put it in here and just barely get it to grab, and the tool will hold your terminal while you work. Now we're just going to let the crimper do the work. It's hydraulic, so it takes very little effort. Go ahead and turn to off, release the tool, and there's our professional battery crimp right there. That is not coming loose. Now, we can just slide our heat shrink right up over it, and we can go ahead and heat shrink around our connection. And there you have it, a professional waterproof battery terminal crimp.